Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in collaboration with Luvme Hair, and I'm going to be showing you this really pretty curly wig they sent over. This is the packaging from Luvme Hair, and one thing I always like about their wigs is that they package everything really nicely. So inside the box, you get the wig itself, and I always like to check the hair right away just to see how it feels. So my first impression is that the hair feels really soft, and the curls already have a lot of bounce to them. You also have one comb in the back and an elastic band for extra security. So like I said earlier, this wig is shoulder length, which I actually like because it's a really nice everyday length. It's not too long and it's not too short. If I was to cut my hair, this is definitely the length I would go for. So right now, I'm just adjusting the comb and band in the back for that extra security. And this is what the hair is looking like straight out the box. The curls are really full and soft. I love the length. Luvme Hair actually sources their hair from regions where the natural growing conditions are really good, and they only collect their hair when it's in a healthy state. So that's part of the reason why the strands feel strong and elastic. Another thing they do is that they have their own Luvme Hair protection technology, which includes gentle cleansing and a nutrient protein infusion. So that basically helps the hair stay soft and helps keep the curl definition intact. All right, now, so I'm going in with my Got2b spray and applying that right along the lace. And then I'm going in with my melt bands just to hold everything down. Now I'm just going to go in and start combing out these curls a little bit. And one thing I've noticed about this hair is that the curls actually bounce back. Like even when I separate them or play with them, they just don't fall flat. So this wig is supposed to hold curls for up to 12 hours, which I feel like is perfect if you're out all day and don't want to keep restyling your hair. So the curls on this wig were already pretty, but I am going to go back in and recurl it just a little bit just to add some extra volume and make it look more full. So one thing I have noticed about this hair is that the curls actually bounce back. It's not stiff and it actually takes heat really well. So I don't have to keep going over the same piece over and over again. Also, if you want all the details on this hair, I'll have everything listed in the description box below. Okay, so now I'm just taking off the melt band. I'm just going to go in and add a little bit of makeup to the lace to blend it better with my skin. Alright guys, so here's the final look. The curls are full and bouncy and the hair feels soft and healthy. I love how natural it looks from the front and the back. They're still holding and super easy to run your fingers through. If you want to try this wig for yourself, I'll have all the details, including my discount code, linked in the description box below. This is also the perfect wig if you want big, effortless curls that last all day without a lot of extra work. So make sure you guys check it out, and thank you so much for watching.